So guys, I got a new cutter blade in for the Duplo, and one thing that I didn't realize is we have to take off the part that goes across the top here because that's not part of the replacement. That's like a housing, and then also there's a sensor that we'll have to take off the old unit and put in here. They don't sell it with the sensor either. But with the housing off, I can see something that I did not see on the one in Bakersfield, and that is that you can actually move this blade. Let's see if I can get in here. Let's see this. You see how I'm moving this open right here? I think the housing prevents it from moving, but it is spring loaded right down there, right in there, and that spring loaded is what pushes it against this. Now, one thing that the tech told me is he said, check on this edge for any burrs. If there are any burrs where over time it has made a little burr from something getting cut in there, that can cause this blade to push open and let that paper fold over like it's been happening. So basically, he said, feel along the edge here, make sure there's no burrs, and if there are, he said you can actually file them off. Just get a very, very, very fine file and make sure that that edge is smooth and there's no burrs. But I'm gonna ship this knife to you guys to change out since you've had the most problem with your cutter. And then we'll hang on to that replacement, and the old one, and I'll pick it up next time I'm there and see what we can do with it.